Hey guys, if you're looking for an easy way to store any of your bulk like rice, flour, beans, these Mylar bags are a great option. I love taking and buying the large bags of, right here I have some beans. I love buying them in a large bag and I like condensing them down to smaller bags so they fit nicely on my shelves a little bit better. So these ones come in 3 different sizes. You have your gallon, your quart, and then here you have your pint size. This one here is perfect for if you're dry out teas, you make homemade teas and you keep them in here. That's what I love to do with them. So this pack here comes with 100 different ones. Like I said, you have a variety of the 3 here. They also come with the oxygen absorbers, which I'll show you how they work in a second. And then I love that this box here, I use it all the time because you can just go ahead and keep all your supplies. They fit nice in here. It also comes with a pack of labels too. All right, so I'm gonna take my oxygen absorber. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it right in there. Then you're gonna wanna try to get out as much of the air as you can. You're gonna go ahead and zip that closed. There's a nice Ziploc on here. I'm gonna do it like halfway and then push it out here. And then finish it. You see like that. These bags, I love the material is so nice. It's nice and thick, so you know it's gonna keep your goods nice and fresh for you. So if you're looking for a great quality Mylar bag to store your goods long term, these Mylar bags right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.